Myself, Anuja Rajamanikam, second MSc Microbiology, Vivekananda Arts and Science College for Women in Sangagiri. Subject in charge Dr. R. Dinesh Kumar sir, Assistant Professor in the Department of Microbiology, Vivekananda Arts and Science College for Women. Topic is e-waste. E-waste or electronic waste management. Introduction of e-waste. E-waste or electronic waste has been become one of the fast growing environmental corner in today's digital world. E-waste management refers to responsible handling and processing or discarding electronic device. This is including the collecting, safe transport, proper treatment, and eco-friendly disposal of electronic waste. By managed e-waste effectively, we not only for protecting our environmental but also conserved value resource and creating our healthy future and generations. India currently faced rapidly electronic waste generation. Overall, past 5 years, this country sharply noted for the near rising e-waste growth of million meter tons. 2019 to 2020, 1.01 million meter tons for any growth in e-waste. 2023 to 24, 1.751 million meter tons for the e-waste growth in a landfill. This to currently 2025, the fastly growing generation for the e-waste. This positions as the world third largest generation for the e-waste. E-waste is a several category for the electronic products we used in day-to-day life. The first category of personal electronic device like a laptop, tab, smart gadgets. This is upgrade for the new one of the largest contribution of e-waste. Next, accessories like headphones, keyboard, computer, mouse, and other small electronics ones. It including in collecting volume of significations. The television set of the large display unit, another segment for old model, rapidly replaced in new, more than energy efficiency. Print and scanner. This is heavy particles. This is office institutions and frequency of discarding out of data in the equipments. Discuss about to generation of e-waste and some examples. E-waste is generally due to the frequency update and disposal of electronic device across in the various sectors including consumer electronic ITs and telecommunicative equipments, household applications, medical device, industrial machineries. Major example of the e-waste generated and their production including the household discarding old computer has shown the lonely with radio, smartphone and other device. This highlights significance role of the sector played in the critical e-waste. Let's discuss about the e-waste. Generation for the e-waste, some examples. Types of electronic waste generations across the various sector. E-waste or electronic waste refers to wide range of discarding electronic and electronic products that have reaching that end. There is usually life. Let's break it down into the especially category small equipments. This is including very everyday items such as vacuum cleaner, microwaves, electronic kits, and every children's toys. This is commonly found household and discarding when they becomes absolutely manufacturing. Large equipments. This category is covered large household applications like refrigerator, washing machines, dryer, and stoves. These items only replacing upgrade and wear the tightly contribution significations to the e-waste. The IT sectors and consumer electronics, this majorly contribution of encompassing computer, service, mobile phones, printer and various communicative device. This is rapidly paced technological advance leading to frequent disposal in the sector. Light equipments, example are including energy efficiency LED bulb as well as entertainment device like DVD player, radio, camera and video games. This is items replaced and new and more than efficiently model emergence. Medicinal device. This categories including the especially equipments or X-ray machines and other devices such as used for electrocare facilities, healthcare facilities. This is discard when they become outdating or replacement with advanced technology, industrial power equipments, including encrypted power supply, UPS, generator on a solar panel and battery. This is critical industrial sectors under the disposal of when the no longer meeting operating need. This example for Illumination device, original e-waste spend household, commercial, and industrial environment. This frequent update and disposal of this item underscore the growing challenge for managing e-waste efficiency. Let's discuss about for component of e-waste management. This is slide for the practically of management of e-waste, thoroughly structured process of collecting, recycling, and safe disposal. This Let's discuss about the treatment strategy of the e-waste, which is designing for the sustainable and safe e-waste treatment strategy focus with the editing of reduce, reuse, recycling, emerging of co-designing, eco-designing for the repairability and the use of less toxin material followed by the fundamental recycling process like dismantling and material recovery. Let's break it down step by step. First, reducing by the this involving designing electronic for repairing, remanufacturing, and recycling and uses easily recover less than toxic material. By focus, the eco-designing manufacturing can create the product that are easily maintained for upgrade, reducing to need the frequent disposal. The strategy minimums the generate of e-waste at source of the promoting circular economical. Next, reused. This strategy engaging for the near donor and or selling. Using electronics, this extend the lifespan and reducing the waste. For example, computer or phones can be passed on the school non-profit. That's about reused. Its strategy engaging the donor and selling, using electronic and extend the lifespan and reducing the waste. For example, computer or phone can passing on the school non-profit and or individually needed given the device second life with an decreasing and demand new products. Finally, recycling. This steps embroidering formula certificating recycling process that save dismantling, dividing this recover the valued material, the treatment hazarding compound. Certificate of recycling used in advanced technique to exchange the metals like gold, silver, and copper. They ensure that toxic substance such as lead, mercury, and cadmium, and handling for disposal and safe to prevent the environmental contamination. This is process not only recover resource but also mitigate the health risk association. In improperly e-waste disposal, the treatment strategy for compress encourage approach to the maintain e-waste, balance environmental productions with resource consumption. Conclusions. Hence, the recycling of e-waste it's vital to the building a sustainable and environmental conclusion future. We advance material required, extend procedure responsibility, and rising public awareness. We can work toward the global to reducing the negative environmental impact of e-waste. This closed amount of manufacturing, polymaker, and consumer will be not only minimize the harmful effect but also lay the founding of sustainability. Circle of economical, the responsibility of e-waste management.